Hello guys, welcome to science class. Today we'll be discussing how rocks form. Last lesson we were talking about how to classify rocks based on mineral composition, color and texture. Today we will talk more about this and more about how rocks form. Okay, here we go. There are three major groups of rocks. First, igneous rocks. Igneous. They are formed by cooling magma or lava. The next are sedimentary. These are formed from remains of plants and animals pressed together. So you will find oil and gas in sedimentary rocks mostly. The last is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic means change. So metamorphic rock is rock changed by heat, pressure, or chemical reaction. We will learn about each of these types of rock in turn, and we're going to start with igneous rock. So what is igneous rock and where does it come from? Igneous rock is any rock that forms from magma or lava. Ignis is a Latin word which means fire, and that is where the word igneous comes from. So igneous rock are rocks formed in fire, in magma or lava. How do we classify igneous rocks? Well, we classify them based on their origin, their texture, and their mineral composition. Today we will talk about the origin and texture of igneous rocks. So where do igneous rocks form? They form either on or under the Earth's surface. Igneous rocks that form on the Earth's surface we call extrusive rock. Extrusive rock. Notice extrusive. X means outside, so this is on the Earth's surface. Igneous rock formed from lava erupted onto the surface, usually from volcanoes. So extrusive rock is rock formed on the Earth's surface. An example is basalt. Basalt is one of the most common rocks on Earth, and it covers most of the ocean floor. The other type is intrusive rock. Intrusive rock, remember the word inside. So, igneous rock that forms from lava hardened under the Earth's surface. So, inside the Earth. Intrusive rock. An example is granite. This forms the core of many mountain ranges. What about the texture? So the texture of igneous rocks depends on the size and shape of the mineral crystals inside. Intrusive rocks usually have large crystals. They are coarse-grained. They are formed from slowly cooling magma. Remember that. Intrusive rocks are formed from slowly cooling magma. and they have large crystals or coarse-grained. The crystals often vary in size and color, just like porphyry on the right-hand side. You can see the large crystals inside the rock, all of different shapes. For extrusive rocks, we often have small crystals, which means the rock is fine-grained, or no crystals, and that means the rock is glassy. So this extrusive rocks are formed from rapidly cooling lava. This is because the lava has reached the surface and the air is colder, so the rock cools faster. An example of a fine-grained rock is basalt. A really cool example of a glassy rock is obsidian. Obsidian has no crystals. It is glassy, and it is formed when lava shoots out of a volcano very fast. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Next class we will continue with the mineral composition of igneous rocks and what we can use them for. Until next time, complete the questions that I've sent to you, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.